Hi everyone, it's the Poverty Princess here with part 2 of Glam Dessert Display. Now for this DIY, you're going to need 2 packages of burner covers from Dollar Tree. They come with a large and a small burner cover. You'll be using the large burner covers for this DIY. You will also need E6000 and hot glue, as well as either 5 glass candle holders from Dollar Tree or 3 glass candle holders from Dollar Tree, and a different one to use for the cake stand. Unfortunately, Dollar Tree was completely out of glass candle holders when I was finishing up my cake stand, and thank goodness that I had this one from a previous purchase several months ago came to the rescue, or I would not have been able to finish this DIY at all. So for the pie stand, you're going to do the same as you did with the triple tier dessert display. You flip one candle holder on top of the other, E6000 and hot glue, and then you cement the 2 ends together using E6000 and hot glue. Leave that dry for several hours, and then you attach the small part to the inside of one of the burner covers. Now you want to center this as best as you can, and definitely use a generous amount of E6000 and hot glue, and leave this dry overnight. Now for the cake stand, you're pretty much doing almost the same thing, except reversing the oven cover, the burner covers. You will turn the burner cover over, and you will attach using E6000 and hot glue the candle holder to the top of the burner cover, and you leave that set overnight. Same thing, E6000 and a generous amount of hot glue. Now when they're dry, I use 2 coats of rose gold by Rust-Oleum spray paint on both of these stands. And when they are dry, this time around, I also use polyurethane spray to prevent chipping. So when that was dry, I finally finished up with the rest of the gold adhesive diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. And for the cake stand, I used the 3-row strip that went around the lip of the cake stand. And I also used a single row on the base of it as well. Now for the pie stand, I used a single row going across all the way around where the candle holders were cemented together. And I finished off, like I said, with a good coating of polyurethane. And I also went back to my original 3-tier dessert display and gave that a coating as well to prevent chipping also, because I put so much time and effort into it and I don't want it ruined. And finally, last but not least, I used some adhesive gemstones that I had from Dollar General, different sized round ones, and then I used another pack of teardrops and squares. I used roughly 3 packs altogether for each of the stands, and I even went back and decided to glam it a little bit more, and put the last amount of stones onto the original dessert display. And that's it. And there you have it. 3 beautiful pieces that look wonderful together or used individually. These rival any fancy dessert stands that I've seen on Wish or even in party rental shops, folks. All it takes is a little time and creativity. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. This week is my Dollar Tree food vlog coming up. It's my first ever Dollar Tree food haul. As promised, when I hit 10 subscribers, Well, I am surpassed the 10 subscriber mark, and I am now shooting for 20. When I hit the 20 subscriber mark, I want to do a Dollar General haul, so that should be interesting. Well, once again, folks, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy and have a good night.